Hey everyone, welcome to this another YouTube tutorial. For today, I'm going to show you how to translate WhatsApp messages instantly without leaving the app. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So first, go to your Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone and search for this app. It's called iTranslate. So the best thing about this app is you can translate everything that you say or what someone says on WhatsApp. So this is the logo of the iTranslate. Just wait for a moment. Okay, you can see now. It's very easy to download. Just click download. Okay. And all right, now you want to open the app. Just skip all of this. See, here is this gear in the top right now. After that, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on iTranslate keyboard. Make sure first to click on advanced settings and make sure to turn this on. Now go back. Like I said, click on iTranslate keyboard. Now you want to click on add iTranslate keyboard, as you can see, and click get started, and it will take you directly to your settings, to your iPhone settings, and you want to click keyboard at the very bottom and make sure you turn this on. It's like you are given permission to this, and then click allow full access. Click again allow, and then just go back. Now you have turned this on. What you want to do, guys, you put your WhatsApp, and then you want to select any conversation that you want. For example, just search for someone to translate the message. Now, as you can see here, let's say, guys, I want to keep translating everything on WhatsApp, not only this conversation, but everything. Just click like you are going to send something and click this world logo, as you can see here, and then select I translate. Now I can start sending a message and just click the arrow up icon and just wait for a moment. Now it just translated to the language that I chose, and you can see here the various language that you can also choose. So just choose from here and then you're good to go. It's just a quite simple step, and you can comment down below if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you again on the next one. Bye!